So just gonna make a quick one, not too long. So this is some pineapple. All right, that's the pineapple. And remove the skin from the pineapple and put it straight in. I might put a little bit more pineapple in, and cucumber inside of it. Lovely. So right there, that's the pineapple and cucumber. Now we're gonna get a piece of a ginger. And put straight inside of it. So that's the ginger. I'm gonna get some lime. So we use roughly about half of a lime inside of it. Lovely. So as I can see, that's a beautiful little drink right here. Put a little bit of apple cider vinegar in it. You don't have to use too much. And a teaspoon of honey. Some water. And that's the way it looks right there so far. All right. So what you want to do next is make a little bit of nice. In the meantime, feel free to grab one of these. All right. Lovely. Then once you blend it, that's simple. Pour it out like this. All right, guys, and that's here you have a beautiful, healthy cucumber, pineapple, ginger, and some lime juice. All right, so enjoy the recipe.